Kum kawai na katong ban pynduna ya kajingjia aksiden bajujia khakha haka surok ba National Highway Hinriu Ri Bhoi bat ka bajuan ra ru ya kajingjia basngausi na kapor shakapor katanat Pulit Ri Bhoi district shen kansa pyntreikam no da ki Radium Reflector na ka banta ki kali paj ba bat ru wat ki kali sarkar kumjo kumban pentip paj ba kini ki Radium Reflector ki de ki kinja plastik banta ha ki kali ki don ka bor jong ka jingshai banyarap shibun bantim laki kali ki de ki bayan ne ki de ki bayang haki surok ba namar Sin ki jingjia aksiden ke jujia khakha namar hakapor min met don bon ki driver ki bamla ban itho laki kali ki dei ki bayeng ne ki dei ki bayan kumta da jingtmu ban te la kam ye ki jingjia aksiden ki kali hakane ke surok ba u superintendent of police ke Ri Bhoi u Giri Prasad banta kesngi ulapan mi sendan da ka hukum bakat kum ke kendon jong ke Central Motor Vehicle Rules 1989 U/S104,138 and 138 in bracket 4 in bracket C Babaro ki jai kali ki hak banta yai ki niki kinja plastik haki kali kabel tip kum ki Radium Reflector kinu ki baile pasha kinsha penshitom katkum katega Central Motor Vehicle Act ong katlong khubo na uhe Pulit Ri Bhoi u Giri Prasad kumta kane ka long jing pentip shabaro ki try kali ki driver bat kinthub ru ya ki kali sarkar ni ki kali shimen bawat ki kali kamai paj ba kani ka jingta Radium Reflector kan sedang nadu ka shitrik uyayong araja arfuar hadu ka life trik ujamang araja arfuar kajing seo kan long kat kum kador balabu de ka sarkar kata arshaka bat saushaka kan long tang san pho tengka henriu shaka kan long shispa tengka bat ki kali ke wedon shipho shaka kan long arspa bat ki ambulance ki tractor ki trolley ki school bus ki kali penlipding bat ki kali sarkar kim don kam satya ban siu pisa na ka banta ya kane ka Radium Reflector
in connection with the increasing number of road accidents along NH 06 in Ri Bhoi district. So we from Office of the Superintendent of Police Ri Bhoi district and the traffic branch of Mawphor, we decided and conducted a review of increasing number of accidents in recent times, especially the fatal accidents which causes to death or grievous injuries. So in this connection we assessed what are the reasons for the accidents increasing numbers, and many a times accidents happen because of drunken driving, over speeding and not following traffic rules. We also found that many of the vehicles, both four-wheelers as well as the large trucks, sometimes they are parked on the main road, sometimes they would take rest or have tea or something like that. So that time we found out that when the trucks are parked or the vehicles are parked on the road, when there is blind spots, that is when the vehicles are coming along the highway, suddenly when there is a turn, then it is found that when there is no reflectors or when there is no radium reflectors, usually the accident are being caused because of the vehicles that are standing on the road. So in this connection we decided that something has to be done. So we have passed an order also that whoever is willing to take extra precautionary measures for the welfare of all along the highways can use the facility that they can fix radium reflectors or stickers in the backside of the vehicles, which would help in reducing the road accidents. It will also help in ensuring that there is no loss of lives. So we decided and I passed an order in this regard. So it is an optional thing, but however it's as per the motor vehicle rules, Central Motor Vehicle Rules, it's mandatory to have reflectors in all the vehicles, whether it is a two-wheeler, cycle or whether it is a truck. The reflectors should be there, because in the highways when a truck is parked or vehicle is parked, usually many of them don't on the parking lights. So the only safety for coming vehicles behind is the reflectors. So I would pursue that also, and I would also encourage the people usually plying very often in the Ri Bhoi district in the National Highway 06 to use the radium reflectors, so that it would help us really in reducing the road accidents. Thank you.